Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to upgrade phone with Cricket Wireless. It's very easy. You just come here and visit manage your account. Okay, and under the quick actions on the right hand side of the page, you select upgrade device. Now let's understand some of the eligibility criteria. You must have an existing line of service with Cricket. You must also have a Cricket monthly rate plan that costs $30 or more. And the upgrade phone must be new and purchased from a Cricket store or online at www.cricketwireless.com. And you can upgrade your phone only once every 365 days, once a year, okay? And a $25 device upgrade fee actually applies to phone upgrades in Cricket stores and online. So if you're okay with that, just go ahead, do this online in manage your account section or by visiting your local Cricket store, okay? And it's really that easy and simple as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.